Good morning, everybody. I am your teacher of maths from Mount Litera Z School, Rampura Fool. In the last session of our maths, we had done the topic addition. We had started the topic addition with the very basics of addition. So today, in this second video of addition, we are going to do with very simple sums of addition. As in the last video, I told you that addition means to add the things or to add the numbers. It means addition puts the things together. Addition puts the things together. तो बेटा हम लोग जब भी एडिशन करते हैं उससे क्या होता है, जो रिजल्ट होता है और यू कैन से जो हमारा नंबर होता है एडिशन करने के बाद, वट एवर आंसर वी गेट, वट एवर नंबर वी गेट, दैट इज ऑलवेज बिगर देन द टू नंबर्स विच वी हैव एडेड. हम एडिशन करने के बाद हमें जो भी आंसर आता है वो आंसर क्या होता है, हमेशा वो दो नंबर्स से बड़ा होता है जिन दो नंबर्स को हम लोगों ने ऐड किया है. सो एडिशन ऑलवेज गिव्स अस द बिगर नंबर. एडिशन ऑलवेज गिव्स अस द बिगर नंबर एंड एडिशन पुट्स द थिंग्स टुगेदर. इट ब्रिंग्स द थिंग्स or numbers together. So now today we are going to do very simple sums of addition using the pictures. So now, as you can see on this notebook, this is the first sum. Here I am having some balls. These are some balls. We are going to add these balls and then we will see whatever results we are getting, is the number bigger or not than the two numbers which we are going to add. So now let us count. First of all, we will count these balls. I hope you all are counting with me. 1, 2. So these are two balls. 1, 2. So here I will write 2. Here I have written 2. So now count these balls. 1, 2. 1, 2. ये भी दो हैं. These are also two balls. So here I have written 2. But now these are two balls and these are two balls. अभी what happens in addition? In addition, we count the things together or we count the numbers together. पहले बेटा हम लोगों ने इनको अलग अलग से काउंट किया था, लेकिन अभी हम क्या करेंगे, इनको इकट्ठा काउंट करेंगे because we have to add these numbers. So now let us count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It means 2 plus 2. जब इन टू बॉल्स में हम लोगों ने इन टू बॉल्स को प्लस किया, then we have got in total, we have got 1, 2, 3, 4. In total we have got 4 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. As I told you in the previous video, पहले ये अलग अलग थे, ये दो अलग थे एंड ये दो अलग थे. लेकिन जब हम लोगों ने एडिशन किया, एडिशन में हमने इनको इकट्ठा कर दिया, जैसे यहाँ पे किया है. यहाँ पे these are different, ये टू अलग है, बीच में वी हैव सिंबल ऑफ एडिशन. दीज टू आर डिफरेंट, बट हेयर ऑल दीज balls are together. Here we have kept all these balls together. So now let us count these balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. It means in total these balls are 4. In total these balls are 4. इन दोनों को और इन दोनों को प्लस करके कितनी balls बन गई हैं? 4. कितनी balls बन गई हैं? 4. So we have got the answer 4. Now we have to see, is this number bigger or greater than these two numbers? अब देखो बेटा, ये है 2, तो ये 4 2 से क्या है, bigger number, because 4 comes after 2. So 4 is greater than 2. This is also 2. So here also 4 is greater than 2. 4 is greater than 2. So now this is the answer. Total is 4. Total means दोनों को प्लस करके वट एवर आंसर वी हैव गॉट, वी कॉल इट टोटल. ये टोटल है मीन्स सम. ऐड करके दिस नंबर इज कॉल्ड total. So 4 is the total of these two balls and these two balls. So total is 4. Now let us move further. Here we are having some triangles. Now let us count these triangles. 1. Here I am having only one triangle, so I have written here 1. Here we are having 1, 2 triangles. 2 triangles. Now let us count these triangles together. 1, 2, 3. So यहाँ पे ये अलग अलग थे. Here we have put them together, and in total these are total 1, 2, 3 triangles. So here the answer is 3. It means 1 plus 2 is 3. 1, 2, 3. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. And as you can see, 3 is bigger than 1 also. जो 3 है वो 1 से भी बड़ा है, and 3 is bigger than 2 also. So 3 is greater than these two numbers, 1 and 2. So 3 is the total of these two numbers. इन दोनों को when we have put them together, जब हम इन दोनों को प्लस किया हम लोगों ने, then we have got the answer 3. We have got the answer 3. Now let us move further. We have some more questions. Now as you can see here, I have some flowers. 1, 2, 3. Here I am having 1, 2, 3 flowers. So I have written 3 here. I have written 3 here. 3 flowers. And here I am having 1, 2 flowers. 1, 2. So here I have written 2. Now let us count all the flowers together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So answer is 5. It means the plus of the addition of 3 plus 2 is 5. The total which we have got is 5. And 5 is greater than 3 also. 5 is greater than 2 also. Now let us do the last sum. We have some stars. Now let us count the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here I have written 4. I have in this section I have 4 stars. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also I am having 4 stars, so I have written 4. Now let us count all these stars together. Here we have put all these stars together. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It means in total we have 8 stars. In total we have 8 stars. It means addition or sum of these 4 stars and these 4 stars is 8. The sum of these 4 stars and these 4 stars is 8. It means 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 8 is greater than this 4 also, and 8 is greater than this 4 also. So here we have got the greater number, because in addition whatever total is there, that is always greater than the two numbers which we have added. So these were the simple sums, and in your homework you just watch the video carefully, and we are sending you one page also. You are supposed to do that page. It is of the regarding the same sums, and keep doing practice at home also. So this was your math teacher from Mount Litera Z School, Rampura Fool. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Have a wonderful day ahead.